We are on day 3 today. What you'll notice is we have been through the fundamentals, right? On day 2, we looked at the fundamentals. We looked at all the news. We looked at what news to pay attention to, what to look at, how to analyze the news. I hope you enjoyed that session. I did have some feedback that they thought fundamentals is too hard and they would skip it. I would always say that these 5 steps have guided me through all my trading. I hope that you will use the same 5 steps to guide you through your trading as well. It's going to be massively beneficial. So we've done step 1 and step 5, looking at all the news, knowing how to plan, how to read, how to analyze the news. What we're doing today is looking at steps 2, 3, and 4, looking at trend, looking at support resistance lines, looking at the indicators, and I'm going through them individually. Speaking about indicators, I hope you have downloaded, installed, applied the trading platform, the indicators, and set up your MT4 accordingly. One thing I'll tell you is those indicators I've given you, I think they have an expiry of 2 years. So in 2 years' time, if you don't like those indicators, they will expire. If you do like those indicators, you have been using them for 2 years. At the end of 2 years, what will happen is it will prompt you and say you need to renew. All you have to do is reach out to me or anyone in the team, and they will send you a link to renew your indicators again. Okay, that's the way, and it's absolutely free, no charges involved at all. But that's the way I want to know that you're still using it's still helpful to you. If there's any updates, I'll provide you the updated indicators as well. Nothing additional, nothing charged. There's no subscription to that. All right. Back to the standard support that we're going to provide to you through these 4 sessions and beyond. Okay, these sessions and beyond. I haven't seen a lot of you attend the currency calls. I do that every day, 11 a.m., Monday to Friday. So I do hope that more of you would attend the session, take full advantage of the sessions so that you not only get your own trades, you get to see what I'm planning, what I'm looking at, and then we get to share some trade ideas. I think I'll get the guys to put in the link for the currency call, if not in the comments, but the link will be in the group so that you can always join, refer and join the currency call. 11 a.m. GMT plus 8 every day, Monday to Friday. Forex Trading Asia, read the market analysis that I write, my team writes, and we've got expert traders who are writing those market analysis as well on Forex Trading Asia. The trade signals on Telegram. All right, we are sending out trade signals on Telegram. Use them either as a trade signal to tell you what to enter, or use them as a way to identify opportunities, identify movements in the market. Okay, so that's on Telegram. All these are absolutely free, so please take advantage of that. LCMS Traders Club on Facebook is a paid group. It is $1.99 a year. $1.99 a year is less than $1 a day. Make sure you join that, because that is where we're going to be guiding you through your trading journey, guiding you through all the way trade ideas, analysis, weekly, twice a week. We're doing calls on Monday and Wednesday nights, catching up with you, guiding you, coaching you through your trading process. Trading is going to be lonely if you do it alone. But trading doesn't have to be lonely if you have a community guiding you through, supporting you through the whole process. That's what LCMS Traders Club is going to be. It's that trading community that you need to help you through your trading journey. Okay. Also, for those of you who have not joined already, you will be missing out. This Friday, I am doing a non-farm payroll employment change live trading event. Live trading on Friday evening. It will start at 8 o'clock. It will end at maybe 9 or 9:30, depending on how much trades we get done. The link is up already in the Traders Club. So Traders Club members, please make sure you check out the link. Make sure you put it in your calendar to join us Friday evening, 8 p.m. Those of you who are not already in the Traders Club, it is only going to be for club members. Right now, last I checked, we have 55 people joined already. So only another 40 seats left. Make sure, and it's going to be on Zoom, not on Facebook Live, on Zoom, so that it is, there's no lag. You get to see it straight away. You can copy my trades, you can follow my trades, or you can just sit back and watch to see how it goes. It's entirely up to you, but only available to club members. Okay, so the link will be there on how to join the club if you're not already a club member. Club members, put it in the comments. Tell everyone how fantastic the club has been for you. And on that note, we shall start with our technical analysis today. So technical analysis, we've been through the basics, we've been through the fundamentals. We are now looking at the technical analysis, what some people call it, the TA. What is technical analysis? Right. Technical analysis, quite simply put, is a study of price movement. It's a study of price movement. It's looking at how charts will move, looking at how trends will direct up or down or across, looking at buy levels, sell levels, or we call it demand levels, or we call it support levels or resistance levels. Looking at patterns. Once it gets up to a certain point, it starts turning down, or once it goes down to a certain point, it will go further lower. Looking at patterns. Basically, for technical analysis, it is really using past data, past price data, not economic data, price data to guide and to identify likely future price targets. Take note, I did say likely, right? Likely, because with technical analysis, it's not going to be a direct science. There is no calculation that will tell you exactly where prices will go to. It is always an approximate. Remember, the first thing I told you during the 4 days or the first day was to say that there is no fixed numbers. Everything is a little bit dynamic. So economics can be considered the science of trading. Technical analysis, I view it as the art of trading. So it's a little bit fluffy, it's a little bit thereabouts, it's a little bit rounded, right? So think of it as not the exact price targets, think of it as the likely future price targets. Main thing, and this is a big crucial part, is a lot of people use technical analysis to tell them whether to buy or to sell. What I want you to start using technical analysis to tell you is to indicate timing of whether to buy or to sell. When to buy or to sell, not whether to buy or to sell, when. So it's all about timing.